you should have been able to finish these two problems. 20 pounds to ounces. You need to know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound, and this is weight ounces, not fluid ounces, so that can get confusing. And you would want pounds on the bottom and the 16 ounces on top. 1 pound, 16 ounces. So 20 times 16 is 320 ounces, and you have canceled out your pounds. From quarts to cups, you should know that there are 4 cups in 1 quart. This is a system that we use in America. And you would be canceling out quarts and going to cups, and there are 4 cups in 1 quart. The quarts cancel. Your answer is 24 cups. In the one at the bottom, we have cubic measurement, and you probably are not familiar with the number of inches and cube to centimeter cube conversion, but you should know, or you can easily find, that there are 2.54 centimeters and equaling 1 inch. Well, what centimeters cubed means is that you have multiplied centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So we need to cancel centimeters out 3 times, and we need to convert them into inches 3 times. So we actually need 3 conversion factors, and each time there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. So this problem is quite a bit messier. You're going to take 50 divided by 2.54, push equals, divided by 2.54, push equals, divided by 2.54, push equals, and that should be your answer. So if I look at doing that on the calculator, I'm going to take 50 and divide it by 2.54 equals, divide by 2.54 equals, divide by 2.54 equals, and I get an answer of 3.05, and this would be in inches cubed. And an appropriate way to perhaps present that answer would be 3.0 or maybe even 3 inches cubed, because we have either 1 or 2 significant figures here. Zeros are sometimes a little bit iffy as to what they mean. You could have also, let me see if I can do that with this calculator. I'll clear this. You could have also taken 50 and divided it by, and I think I want the other view on the calculator, and start over again. 50 and divided it by 2.54 to the 3rd power, and I get the same thing. So you could go 50 divided by 2.54. Typically you use the up key to take it to the 3rd power, and that's a little bit easier input. But cubic measurements, I just can't put in 2.54 centimeters per inch. I have to put it in 3 times. Okay, on the next page, we're going to look at making sure that our units are consistent. So if we knew that gas costs $3.65.9 per gallon, we know that $3.65.9, 1 gallon. And the per represents a division sign. And again, that could be written 2 different ways. But if we're starting with $5, we know we are trying to cancel out the dollars and put it into gallons. So again, if I bring up my little calculator, which got lost, sorry, but we'll be able to get a little bit more than 1 gallon. On the other hand, if we have $5 and it costs 99 cents, can we do that? No, because the cents and the dollars don't cancel out. We need to have these units consistent. So if I start with $5, there would be 1 gallon over $0.999. Or I could use $5 times, nope, that's not what, let me review that. Or I could use 500 cents times 1 gallon over 99.9 cents. And either one of those would work. So at 99 cents you'd get a little over 5 gallons, where at 365 you'd get about 1 1/2 gallons.